Hello, my name is Michael Chavera. I am 26 years old. I am a student of social communication of UNAP. My family is composed my father Gabriel, my mother Janet, and my two sisters Sarah and Laura. I like soccer. I like independent Medellin. I like salsa. I like movies and photography. Uh, Trip to Argentina. Stage 1. I the last vacation I went to Argentina. I staged 6 months with two friends. I because there were a lot of play to visit. For example, I went to Cataratas Iguazu, Monumental, the Recoleta and Estadio de Boca Juniors, where the weather in Argentina changed. In June it's freezing. In August, September and October it is usually cool and easy. In November the weather changes, it's cloudy and sunny. In December, January and February the people go in the beach because it's warm and muddy. In March, the world is breezy, the people were cold. In April and June, the weather changes, our temperature is very snowy and freezing. It is important that the people have jacket and coat. You should for the passport, you have very bright cards. You should forget the ticket. You outlook the book clothes. You shouldn't arrive late to your trip. You should learn many languages. What you should do? You should go to Argentina and out Boreal and Forest. Also had better have cash in dollars because the economy is expensive. Additional, the people are very friendly, so you should be friendly. The city is big. You have city car for transport. You should wear comfortable. What you shouldn't do? People shouldn't do technology. People shouldn't help me. People shouldn't visit center. Bye bye.